Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to watch a TikTok video full screen. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post videos like this. So to get notified for future, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start this video. So for this video, as you guys can see, the profile picture, like button, share button, and all the other texts are blocking the video. So if I want to remove this, then I have to download and watch this video. So remember, it is not applicable on every video. Like some videos you cannot download because the creator of the video has not allowed to download, so I cannot download the video. So as you guys can see, I can download this video, but some videos I cannot. Look at how saved video pop out. It means I can download this video, but in some videos saved videos will not pop out, which means the creator has not allowed to download. So the only way you can watch a TikTok video full screen is after downloading it. Otherwise, all this profile picture and this text are gonna block it because it is a part of TikTok and we cannot remove it. So after the video is downloaded, as you guys can see, I can watch the video in full screen now. There's nothing blocking it. So this is the only way you can view a TikTok video on full screen. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody, and comment down below what type of video I should make next. Have a nice day. Peace out.